Welcome everyone. Welcome guys. Should be live now. Let me set everything up. PUMP.FUN. So we're not live yet on my another device. Let's take a look. We might have to restart. Let me know guys if you can hear me. It says we are live now. Can you hear me guys? Can you see me guys? Let's verify that. Oh yeah, welcome guys, welcome everyone. This stream is live. Let me take a few minutes to announce our stream on my Telegram channel so we can get some more people in and we'll have some nice action like always. Awesome, stream announced. Welcome everyone, welcome newcomers. Let us first look at the coins from previous live stream and I'll close them quickly if they didn't perform. This one obviously I can see right away, just dumped, but it's no surprise. Just going to close this coin. It's no longer of any use. This one, should we keep this open or not? $4K, we're going to close this one as well. This one now. It went to radium, that is nice, but it's dead now. So we should just close it and we'll look for new coins. Welcome everyone. Welcome Samu Bua. Welcome Sergey. Welcome everyone. Welcome guys. This coin also dumped. We can look at the chart, but I'm just going to close it. Really pointless to keep it open. This one, Mag of Meme, we reviewed this on our previous stream when it was at $50K in market cap, and today, to my knowledge, it went to about $500K in market cap, like 10x from the previous live stream. So let's refresh that coin now and see. It's currently at 70K, but I'm pretty sure it went to $500K in market cap today, which is magnificent, which is real nice. So yeah, it did go to 350K, but we saw it at like $50K in our previous live stream, so 7x from that point. But the coin really is dead now though, so we're going to close it still. Welcome everyone guys, welcome everyone. This coin almost went to radium from last time. Let us refresh it and see. Was it did go to radium, and yes it did. Currently at $35K in market cap. Might be interesting to check out. Market cap. And it went to about $100K. So 2x from the point that we opened it. Not much, but it's dead now. Let's close the coin. But it's nice. It's nice to see coins go up. Welcome everyone. Happy Cat. Let's refresh. Did it have any changes in this price action? Interesting to check out. No, it's at about the same price. So I'm actually going to close this coin now because it's been doing nothing but sitting at this level. So I'm going to close it. Welcome everyone. Yunus, hello. The Discord link is not working. I only have my friend request link at the moment. We are still creating the Discord, and by the way guys, if you have any experience with the Discord, let me know, because I have no clue what am I doing with Discord. So we do need some help with that. This coin now, when we closed the live stream, it was at $20K in market cap, and I know it went to about $40K in market cap now. And I was showed this at this point or something, like a few live streams ago, so it definitely has been slow mooning over time, and there is a big community around this token. On Tommy.crypto's live stream earlier today, I saw people shilling this coin in his chat. So this is a nice one to screen and track. And it did go to Radium already, and we saw it at like $20K in market cap, or even earlier at like 15K or something. You can clearly see, as I told you, a real nice slow mooner. This is kind of an accumulation phase, just consolidation really, but it did want to break out. We can check out the volume as well, and it did go for a second wave. And there was volume present always, more or less, sometimes less, sometimes more, but volume and interest was always there. So this was a nice time to buy in, really nice time to buy in. And then second wave, of course, higher than the first one, and the volume candles kicked in, very nice. But we first spotted this coin like around this level, and full transparency, I said that it was an uncertain entry, uncertain coin, but at this stage, clearly it's a slow mooner, but it could have died here, and fortunately it didn't. As you can see, volume decreases, price decreases, but it's nice that the coin went up for a second wave. And welcome everyone. Also, for how much time do you wait to call a coin dead? So the coin really is dead until and unless the volume kicks in. So if the volume kicks in, the coin can resurrect. If it doesn't kick in, it's dead. But it's called dead until the volume kicks in, because in most cases, volume will not kick in and the coin is like dead completely. Also, trader, we're going to refresh the page to see if there is anything new. Welcome everyone to this stream. $600K in market cap, and he had his girlfriend on his Telegram live stream earlier today, and this had a slight pump. And you can see we did some analysis last time, but it's getting messy here. So let me actually delete all of this. And what we can see more clearly here is we can see this is a support level for the coin, as you can see from here. Let me draw it to you. The trend line, more or less accurate, more or less precise, but basically you can see this coin. Just to explain the logic behind the trend line, behind the support level, and of course the resistance level, you can see this coin was wicking up, and this was its all-time high at the time. Therefore, the resistance, it hit it almost 3-4 times, we can say. Then it went up, and this resistance acted as support, and this is now the support. It came back to this level, and it came back to this level once again after going for 4 million. It came back to the same level, as you can see, which is 450K, 500K, and then it touched it again 2 times, and you could have bought the dip here, but it didn't bounce back too well. You could have made some profits, but not anything significant. So if you sold here, this could have been a 2x for you. If you bought here, sold here, 2x could be juicy, but yeah, pretty safe entry as well at that level, 450K. Then here again, it went up almost 2x, but it doesn't really have enough volume at the moment. But we can see it's kicking in, because this was the lowest point when we were looking at volume. It was pretty much non-existent, really dead. But now it's clearly uptrended, but it's on a downtrend now again. So this coin really, I would expect it to consolidate like this on this level. I would say this resistance support, this support level is really strong, but unless volume kicks in, it will consolidate. This is the analysis for trader. Welcome everyone, welcome guys to this live stream. How can we contact you? So I have my Telegram channels link, Telegram call channels link in the description of this video, and I have my Discord friend invite, which I just posted like before this live stream. So you can get the invite link for my Discord and accept the friend request, and I should be in touch with you. Just if you want to talk about anything, if you want to ask for some advice, contact me for any inquiries that you like. Is the Discord up yet? The survey is not, but you can contact me still on Discord. you do TA for these types of coins, even during PUMP.FUN activity. So for this coin in particular, yes, you can do TA. I'm also using my Fibonacci. Not this time though, not right now, but this clearly is really, really helpful. Like always look at psychological levels and support and resistance levels. Like this is extremely helpful and really, really easy to do. I mean, just got to look where are the tops and where are the dips, and you can identify those levels. Very simple and really helpful. As you can see, it's really touching this level like very precisely, very accurately. Now, when it comes to PUMP.FUN, what you need really, we're doing something here, but what you really need. Why is I'm going to close this token? What you need to do. Let me open this coin. You get the volume indicator now. That is the most important thing. You get the volume indicator. That is the most useful thing that I'm using myself. And you look at psychological levels of coins. So you should always open coins on a Photon. You just get the token's address from up here. You go to Chrome and you get yourself Photon and you open that chart. And on there you can sort it by market cap from like up here. And then you can just look at psychological levels at round numbers like 10k, 20k, 50k, and all of that. And that is going to be really, really helpful when it comes to PUMP.FUN coins. So it's not really TA, but it's basic psychology, yes. Welcome everyone to this live stream. We're going to open some magnificent coins. By the way, this one, Soul Warrior, we spotted at $10k in market cap like 3 or 4 streams back. Like at this level or something, at $10k only. And we quickly identified it as a slow mooner. Like I told you guys that this coin is going to slow moon. And look at the website, it looks magnificent, but we're not anymore going to talk about this coin. It's on Radium now, so the buying opportunity is a bit late. Now Temi really just consolidating. It needs better market. We just need better market for long-term Radium coins to start pumping again. That's as simple as that when it comes to Temi. But now we're going to open some nice PUMP.FUN coins unless you have something to show. So if you have coins to show, guys, let me know in the chat. We're going to check your coins. But until then, I'm going to pick coins from PUMP.FUN. I'm going to open like 10 tabs at once and then we'll look at them later. Live coins really, really popular at the moment, especially with the girls. There was like a coin Gwen live, which we saw at $20k in market cap, and it went to $600k like a day later, which was insane, like 30x. But I wasn't in the coin, nor I think were you guys, because it was a risky play, and it had lots of fun as well. Now we can open this coin. Show me something in the chat, guys, if you want me to analyze any coins, take a look at them, give you a honest feedback, honest opinion. Let me know, guys. You can also say hello in the chat. I will say hi back to you guys. Welcome everyone to this stream. And this is educational stream. So we're not like pumping coins. If you have a nice entry, nice. If you see some nice optimal entries, that is good always. But we're not pumping coins. So this is solely educational live stream. So you can ask questions, you can do some analysis, and you can basically learn. Live with Zoe, is this the one we opened before? I remember one live coin that we opened. Yeah, I will take a look at it in just a minute. I'm just gonna open my last coin and later we're gonna do that again. So let's now pick coins from the beginning. I'm gonna close this. First coin, Wise Yoda. Welcome everyone to this live stream. 24 people. Share this live stream everywhere you can. Discord, Telegram. Also, if you aren't subscribed, make sure you do, so you don't miss any live streams to come. This coin, we need to look at all the distribution and socials. So we need to refresh. All right, now the first thing we take a look at is the volume. I can see right away that it's the community bumping up this token, buying for a few bucks worth, just to get some interest and attention. So is there any real volume though? That's something you always got to take a look at, and there is barely any volume. And this is really messing you up. If you see those transactions, you might think it's real. That's where we need this volume indicator, and here, now it becomes way more clear. You can see volume was uptrending for the longest time, and the price was reflecting that and doing the same. But now look at those volume candles. Volume is non-existent. It dropped like a knife, like this. It dropped like a knife. And also the price chart as well. The price action now is really down from its all-time high, and it even was king of the hill. So this coin now doesn't have any volume, which is really bad. Dex Screener will be paid at $15K in market cap. That's a good promise, but did the developer fulfill the promise though? Soul trending and ads ready after radium, another promise. The moon is easy to reach, let's aim higher. We can take a look at this coin for sure, because those are some nice promises. And if he invests 300 bucks into the Dex Screener, that is amazing. Join Telegram, join the voice chat. Voice chat, also good. But there is no volume, that is the issue. Stolen art, we can see from the threads. Thread section, really helpful. Stolen art, if that's true, we can verify that. But if it's true, it's a bad sign for sure. Low effort from the developer. Dex is paid, great. So let's verify that soon. Pretty nice things we saw here, like we learned a lot in this thread section in like a dozen of seconds. Very nice. So the website now. Welcome everyone, welcome newcomers. Hello guys. Hello everyone. Now let's look at the website, and I see nothing. I can enter here. Can you hear this voice, guys? I'm not even sure if you can hear the voice from the device itself. But they have something here, but it's just the socials, the chart, so nothing special really. The voice thing, kind of cool, but again, it's really simple. We need to join Telegram for some more clarity for sure. Let's do it right now. $113 members, that's a lot, that's nice. 13 participants in the voice chat, and they are doing this Twitter raid kind of thing, which I know is helpful and good. It's a good sign. They are taking it very seriously. They're working together as a community, which is amazing. Someone is bumping up those coins. That is nice. That is great. And always read the pinned messages. Those are really helpful. And you can see we found Dex Screener paid proof. We can click the link if we were on Twitter, on X, but let's see if we can find it from here. We'll start trading. Nice. Project strategy. That's why we always got to check pinned messages. We're finding nice things from here. Phase 1. Payment of Dex prepaid, that is done. Creation stuff, done. Meme contest, influencer calls, soul trends and ads, airdrop to top 20 holders. And they have been fulfilling on their promises so far, which is nice. So that is already some sort of commitment from their side, from the developer and the team. And so far from the threads and from the Telegram, I like this project, but without volume, it can't really do anything though. So we need some volume for this if this wants to go up. So the play here, if you would want to get in a position, you just have to wait for the volume to come back in. So I would be waiting for volume to enter back. And if it has the momentum, that would be a really great project. That's what I think. Honest opinion. Developer holding 3%. That is a nice amount. Holder distribution looks clean. We found a nice project, I think. Welcome everyone to this live stream. James Allen, I'm only talking about meme coins and Pump.FUN coins in particular. So those really small ones. And we do explore Radium coins as well on Dex Screener, which are slightly bigger, but they are still meme coins, yeah. AS Holdings, welcome to this live stream. How long have you been to crypto? Since the first meme coin cycle, so 2021. So it's been 4 years, but in the bear market, I was just learning from watching videos and all of that. So I've been doing it only when it was the bull run, not in the bear market. So I had like a big gap. And then I came back to meme coins now in December. Check out Bezos. I feel like we already checked it out. By the way, let's keep this coin open and let's look for our next ones. This one, did it just go to Radium? We opened it at like 15 or 20 dollars in market cap. Oh no, it's not at Radium, but let's refresh it still. 35 dollars in market cap. Live coins are really trending. It is a cosplay artist with 100k plus followers on Instagram, 200k on TikTok, and now she's live in cosplay on So. Come hang out with us as we live stream in the voice chat. Is it actually her? Because if it's a big influencer, that is very nice. Holder distribution, great. Volume looks really nice. We can check that within a few seconds. It looks great. They're saying developer is rugging here as well. Interesting. That is interesting. Chat so dead. Ain't based until I see burn tokens. So if someone is calling out that this is a rug, you should always be careful. If the community isn't bullish on the coin, that is not good. But if it's few people fighting, you can just ignore that if it's not true, if it's not actually a rug. So let's check. Telegram first, because I'm not sure about opening this stream. Click here. Start. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Nice to have you all here, guys. Show me some coins. We're going to be taking a look at them later. 108 members. Nice. 64 video chat participants. We can see some things here in the chat. Why is the chat bugging though? Why is the chat bugging? Alright, so she's streaming here. I'm not sure if you can hear, guys. Let me know if you can hear.
That option. Day to Rick. Hunter became Alexis Cabrera.
So she is real, with 62 people. So as long as she doesn't shrug, as long as she doesn't hold on other wallets, this could be a nice one because girls on stream obviously are the trend and those are just good coins to do quick ins and outs. She's cute. So many conversations happening. This is nice, an active community. I'm not sure why I can scroll back up, but it looks nice because it's her and she's cosplaying. So let's see what's gonna happen to this coin. That is an interesting one for sure. We're waiting for volume to kick back in into this coin as well. Welcome everyone to this live stream. We can hear that is nice. Congrats on 1k subs. Thank you a lot, James. Alright, so this coin, we can see some nice patterns right away. Higher lows, the best pattern really, higher lows. Moving nicely so far. Volume, we need volume always to check out whether it's going up or down. You can check, you can tell the coin's price action, the coin's potential price trend from looking at the volume. So volume here decreasing. So I'm expecting this coin to do the same, to decrease over time slowly because there is no volume. But until volume kicks in, I think this coin is dead, even though currently it's sitting at $25k in market cap. So I'm actually going to close it since it's certainly not an ape in my opinion. This coin, interesting chart, a bit of a pump and dump as you can see here. A bit unhealthy. Again, another cat. I'm really bored of cats to be honest. This looks great. Deck screen updated. Paid 300. Processing, nice. So it's prepaid as far as I can see. And this is a real cat, they're saying. So it might be developer's cat. That makes it a bit more interesting. Alright, let's check out the website. If it's interesting, then it might be a nice candidate to screen. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Really happy to have you here. Now we might need to refresh that. They don't have a website, I think, because if it doesn't load, there is no website. I don't think there is. We can get it from Fred's section maybe, but this is taking too long. Let's just join the Telegram. Expired link. Oh no, I need to click start. Yeah, I keep forgetting that. 71 members, nice. If community is creating memes, that is always nice. So if there are memes about the coin, it's good because it's a meme coin and they need to do raids and shows on Twitter. So that's amazing. Ono is talking, as he should. He should be an active participant of the community. But not much people here. I'm going to close this coin because it doesn't look too bullish to me. Did we look at the volume? I don't think we did, so we should now. Clearly the volume is absolutely non-existent, at least at the moment, and I don't like those volume jumps. Surge in volume, downtrend, surge, downtrend, doesn't look healthy in terms of volume. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Yeah, I'll take a look at those Palestine and Cuba coins for sure in a bit. Let's take a look at this one for now. Really quickly, was it an ape or not? It's high up on the market cap scale, but again, you can see the same thing. Volume is decreasing and the price is doing the same. Not a good coin. Refresh this one. $8k in market cap might be early if it's showing some nice signs. Volume looks sketchy from here. It's the first thing we can see. They're bumping transactions, so it's not completely real volume here. And it's kind of shallow. And hold the distribution 7 and 7%. A bit problematic. Some memes from the developer. Join us, it's rock free. I wouldn't be so sure. We have to verify that. Website. They have something here, but it's very simple. Those are nice, kind of interesting. We can keep this open, but no hopes for that coin. This one I've seen before. Looks like it's downtrending now, and it's not even a new coin. It's been live for quite a bit of time, and it's moving in a weird pattern, kind of like a pump and dump coin, as you can see from the chart, and this makes me hesitant to ape into those coins. Pump and dump charts, I don't think those coins are healthy. This is the issue with those coins. This looks great, Banner is ready, community is bullish, developing voice chat, that is nice. What about the website? Website pretty simple. This is AI made, except the head. right? Or is it entirely handmade? Looks sketchy a bit, but yeah, the website is not completely good. It's like an average website, I would say. It doesn't like stand out to me, you know. So we'll close this coin. It was downtrending as well, like heavy, which we can take a look at volume right here on this coin. I don't like the volume. The first thing I can see, the volume is really shallow. Here as well, it's a fake volume. I'm going to close it right away. So we speed run those coins. This one already rocked. So let's take a look at some new coins, which you showed in the chat in a bit. Let's first recheck this live coin. 20k, the cosplay girl streaming is dipping right now. This one is, we're waiting for volume to kick in, if it will kick in, which is not certain. Alright, show me some new coins, guys, and welcome everyone to this live stream. We're going to Dex Screener to check out those two coins from the chat. So this was the first request. 2 days old coin, $3 million in market cap. That could be quite interesting. In the trend as well, we know there is a war going on. And this coin is new in the trend. Nice. This is a bit, you know, sketchy that the volume and interest, you know, the demand for this coin, you know, faded away for quite a long period of time. But it's fine. It doesn't mean anything bad for the coin, but it's just not great. You know, you would like to see volume more or less always consistent, sometimes more, sometimes less, but never going to almost zero, which happened 2 times for this particular coin. And now we can see a downtrend in volume. Also, it's the top right now. So if you would want to enter this coin, right now is the time to sell, if anything, certainly not to buy. So this was the place to buy. Accumulation phase for how long? For an entire day almost, yeah. You had an opportunity to buy this for an entire day almost at $2 million in market cap, and people are taking profits here. I mean, for this big of a market cap coin, 2x, 2.5x, 3x is nice. So people are taking profits at this level, here and here. So it completely makes sense to me. But if you want to get a dip level, if you want to wait for an optimal entry, we can check for that right now. This was a fail. We need to draw it from the bottom. So as you can see, guys, those 2 yellow lines is where I would usually be buying. The first one is a discounted price at 2 million at the moment, which is a dip. It's discounted price, but it's not the most optimal dip. But you can still buy it if you are bullish on the coin. If you want to wait for an optimal dip is at 1.13 million. So about 1 million mark at this level would be an optimal dip. But if you're buying right now, you're paying premium, and anything above 2.58 million, 2.6 million, you're paying premium price, which is sitting at 3 million, which is slightly above equilibrium, above the average price. You're paying premium right now if you buy in, but if you want dips, 2 and 1 million are the levels. Hope this helps. Let's take a look at Cuba coin as well. We can close this coin actually and get Cuba on here. Welcome everyone to this live stream. I share this live stream in groups, Telegram, Discord, friends, everyone you want, everyone you can share to, and subscribe as well. So is it the coin you're talking about? 100 kilos in market cap. The chart is a bit concerning here. That is the first thing I notice. Like you can tell that, is it a PUMP.FUN launch? Yeah, it probably is a Pump.FUN launch. It went to 85K. Then look at this dump. And then again, going up, really dumping, going up now. And I don't see any consistent volume when it comes to this coin. It's like really inconsistent, which we don't really like to see. You can also look at it from here. 5 minute volume is really important, and there is no 5 minute volume. There is no interest for this coin on shorter time frames. 1 hour 10k volume, that is slightly low, and the volume even is up 50% in the last 6 hours. So it was even less, as you can see from here. I would say this coin is uncertain one, and I certainly wouldn't buy into it. It can go up, sure, but in a span of 3 days, it hasn't gone up yet. So it's been more or less trading around the same price. So if you want to enter this coin, even if it goes up, you're freezing your money because it might not go up for days, and it's likely to go down rather than up, as you know with those coins. Also, it's following the trend of countries and flags, which is a short-lived trend. So like when the trade fades away even more, we can expect this coin to dump. That is the issue with this coin. So for me personally, it's certainly a no-go. Analysis for trader, we actually explored it before, so you might want to scroll back because I had some nice analysis done for it. But dip levels 450. I don't want to talk about it like for any longer right now, but 450 optimal dip level, and I'm expecting it to consolidate on the level. And it's a pretty safe one, and the volume is dropping, so consolidation until volume kicks in. That is a short summary of the analysis. And show many tokens, guys, in the chat, and welcome everyone. Can you check Maneki? Yes, sure. Jabri, I can check Maneki. $76 million in market cap. A big coin. A long-term play. All-time high 250 million almost. You know, the first issue you can notice is look at the volume candles, and the demand has never gone up since its launch. So the demand was there when it was a fresh coin, but ever since there is no demand now, which is a big issue. It hasn't ever even spiked up really. You can see some spikes here, but never continuous uptrend in volume, and the price really is just looking the same as the volume candles. This is an issue. The volume though it's nice from here, 11 million, but compared to what it was before, significantly less. And this coin is long-term play, so you would be freezing your money for days or for weeks. That is the issue with this. And you might want to wait for the next meme coin wave for Solana's price to go back up, for hype to come back in. Then it would be perhaps nice coin to have a second wave. But the optimal dip level is 52 million for this particular coin, so it's not even at an optimal entry at the moment. So what I'm saying here is it can dip down further 50% from this current price to 50 million, and then I would expect it to have a little bounce because of course whales can see that, and they'll ape in. We're going to check some coins from Pump.FUN now, some new ones, so that we keep it interesting, we keep it mixed up. So show me Pump.FUN coins for now. So let's step away from DEX Screener for a bit. We're going to switch to Pump.FUN, and later we'll come back to DEX Screener coins. Happy Sheep, a new coin. Let me keep those tabs open here. I'll open multiple at once. If you're enjoying this live stream, share the live stream, like the live stream, turn on notifications so don't miss the next live stream. because we are doing some nice education here. Now let's open some coins again. This one. Just looking for some coins. For some nice coins to ape in. This one perhaps, but it's a cat coin. Really tired of cat coins, guys. So many of them always. This, maybe? Why not? This one. Just a few more. Cat Boden, this might be interesting. Show me some coins in the chat, guys. PUMP.FUN coins for now. Live on Kick. Interesting. Just a few more. One more. So this first coin, Happy Sheep, already has gone down. Like already rug pulled. We didn't even manage to look at it. So just close it for now. I mean, not for now, it's completely dead. This coin, get the volume out. First thing you want to do. Looks great on a downtrend though. That is an issue. People bumping up this token with small transactions. Holder distribution looking great. What about the threads? Not much community going on here. If the threads section isn't like filled with those chats, it means the community is not yet formed. And that's an issue for those first waivers because those are so new, community isn't simply formed yet. It's not established yet. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Very simple website. I'm not gonna take a look at it further because it's already at $30 in market cap and I don't see any good signs. I see bearish signs like website isn't good, this isn't too good, volume really on a downtrend. So let's just close it. Looks like it died as well, but let's examine it. We can take a look at the volume, and if there is no volume, the coin is dead. And there is barely any volume. Yeah, we close this coin, that's for sure. Welcome everyone to this live stream. No threads replies. Too early. Nice volume, kind of nice volume. This looks great. Pretty early for the coin, only $15K in market cap. Website. Really simple one, nothing special. So we're looking for some bullish signs. So far, there isn't anything that stands out to me. "19 members only." As I told you guys, no threads replies means there isn't community formed yet. And clearly this is too early to look at for a community in this coin. Just 5 people in the voice chat. Hopefully the developer is there. That would be a nice sign. But other than that, this is not an ape for me personally, but we're going to keep this open and drag this here. Let's keep searching now, guys. Looks alright, a bit high, 7.5%. Website. Simple. A simple website that is not too good. There is some conversation, work being done in the voice chat. Yeah, maybe, but we're looking for strong bullish signs, and already this for me isn't an ape. We're looking for some nice coins, which have real potential. Cat Boden, cat's really overused, but this combination might be great. Not sure where you can't see market cap on socials though. $10K and no website. Developer. Volume, maybe let's take a look at the volume. Is there, but it's not too great. And we can keep this open, but I'm actually going to close it. Really not bullish on that coin. Jimbo website. A simple website again, nothing special. Volume. Show me some coins, guys, in the live chat so I can take a look, but let's limit that to PUMP.FUN coins right now. A good thing I can see is the volume is right now reversing on the upside, to the upside right now. This looks great, hold the distribution. Look at wallets, developer about to cheat multiple wallets. That's why you always got to check the first transactions. Developer is pushing some small buys. That is nice, that is certainly not bad. Stream is looping video, yes. We can take a look at Telegram. Welcome everyone to this live stream. 45 minutes in. Looking for some coins, looking for some plays. So far, actually, no luck. So far, no luck. Like, not a single coin was even half decent. Many of them, I mean, actually, all of them, I had to close because they are not interesting, you know. 30 people only, 9 people in the voice chat. That's not too great. That's not too great. The community isn't simply there yet. They're trying to do something, but those are the admins. It's the admin. So nothing special here. Nothing special. We can keep it open, but I don't think it's a play. Already at $20K in market cap as well. First waiver. It's not worth it, I think. Certainly not worth it. Welcome to this live stream, everyone. Pulp.FUN is like Pulp Fiction, that classic movie misspelling. That is a nice, unique meme, and we are looking for something unique. Tarantino Cabal, certainly a unique meme. This is something that I am into for sure. As you can see, movie summary. Born in the mean streets of PUMP.FUN, where fortunes can be made or lost in seconds, a mesmerizing tale of interconnected destinies. Is that AI made? That looks like AI made for sure. You can read it, guys, but I'm not going to read it. Movie budget, 1 Solana developer buy, 1 Solana admin team, 1 Solana marketing budget investment. That is great if they have 1 Solana planned for a marketing budget and they are telling about it. That is nice. Goes is nothing special. It's every coin's go. It's the same. Pump launch, King of the Hill, Radium, and more listings. Nothing special, but we can check out the Telegram if we want to. Someone saying it's a rug, but I like the fact that the coin is unique. Prepaid X screen at 40K in market cap, and they have tokens being burned and proof shown. That is nice. But we can't talk here, can we? We can't talk. Yeah, nothing special. I'm going to close this coin actually. We can take a look at volume though, because that can show us a lot. And it's on a decrease. Certainly not an ape for me, guys. This is already dead. Was a great name like Machiavelli, Blue Dog on base chain. But it's not Bayesian, it's Solana. But yeah, let's keep looking for some nice plays. Book of Dao, perhaps. Let's take a look. First waiver, really fresh token. We get the volume out. Doesn't tell us much yet, obviously. So Dex banner, that looks nice. I like this look. Certainly I like this look, like a Minecraft type of picture. Some nice volume coming in, certainly nice. Website, if it has a great banner, perhaps it has a nice website. There is lots of text. Not going to read that much. NFTs, interesting. But yeah, pretty simple website still. As the coin is dipping, let's join the Telegram. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Really happy to have you here. 125 members. Let's join the group. Why not? No voice chat. That is not so great. Can I verify myself to talk? Yeah, there is some conversation going on. Oh yeah, I can. So that's nice. Can I click on this? Yeah, start. Dude. Can we go back now? Where is it? Book of Dao. Alright, we're back. No voice chat, no nothing. There are pinned messages, which are nice to look at. We are live. We're not launched yet. So it was a pre-launch token. So there was a community formed before it was launched, which is nice. They created hype up front. So this was a great opportunity to ape. But you should have spotted this before it was launched at ape, and you could have aped at 5 or 10k, for example, and sold at 35k. But it does have a strong community if it's a pre-launch coin, but it's a risky ape. As you can see, it's going down, and first wave token. We can keep this open, but it's a risky one. This one, there isn't enough volume, as you can see. We have looked at this before, and the volume, just look at this. Do we need to refresh it to see the right thing? Volume. Oh yeah, there is some volume. So it's still an uptrend besides this current candle. So still, it shows some promising signs. Let's keep screening that token. This token doesn't have much action. This one died. We'll close this coin. This one is doing nothing, unfortunately. We have it open twice. Let's close one tab. This one, the girl, is going down at $20 in market cap. That's not good news. Welcome everyone to this live stream. 32 people, welcome everyone. Share this live stream, subscribe, do all of that. Looking for some coins, for some good apes, entries, projects, good websites, really everything. Educational stream, not financial advice. Show me coins in the chat so I can take a look at them and analyze them. Another live coin, a new live coin, already dumped. Can you see this, guys? Really quickly, it went to take $8 from 5k and already dumped. Some kind of a woman. Females are trending because we know that 99% of traders are men, barely are any women, so they of course get lots of attention. Live streaming at Telegram. Pointless coin, it's already dead. That is the issue with it. Barcelona, the soccer team. I actually say football usually. Football team. Very nice. Distribution looks alright. Is it the first of its kind though? Is it really the first meme of its kind? I don't believe it. We can search FC Barcelona. We're going to find more of those coins, you know? Very likely we are. I mean, for sure. Let's take a look. So you can see it's not even the first of its kind, but I'm surprised there aren't more of this token. Only 3 coins. So we can take a look at this still. Welcome everyone. Stadium of Barcelona's team, amazing, but nothing on this website, literally. Just the logo, which is the team's official logo, so not even a meme recreation, which is just screaming that it's so low effort. Is this custom or not? This even isn't custom either, so really nothing special. Low effort website. Team in voice chat. For me, this isn't an ape because of low effort, no profile. It's just a copy of the real thing and no good website. I'm not even going to look into this coin, unfortunately. This coin, we take out volume, and after this one, we're going to look at your shows. Look at this volume. Isn't it sketchy? Nothing consistent going on here. Very shallow, and it's fake transactions as well, just community bumping up the token. If there is no volume, coins do not go up. As simple as that, guys. No volume, you close the token. Like that is the rule. Let us look at your shows now. I lost $10K in PUMP.FUN. Yeah, that's the issue. Like, you got to be knowing what you're doing. It might look simple, but you need to acquire knowledge first. So you can't really get into this without any knowledge with 10K bankroll. If anything, you should start with $10, and if you can't turn $10 into 100, you shouldn't be putting in more. So really the key here is start with less instead of starting big and acquire knowledge first. That is the main priority. And once you have the knowledge, once you're tracking your trades on paper or your notes app and you're consistently winning, you can up your bankroll and start with a bigger budget. That is the best way to start trading those meme coins because they really, really are risky. That's undeniable and that's true completely. What do you think of Chungo the Gorilla? We'll take a look at this coin right now. So we have already explored the coin. I don't remember what I said. Oh yeah, I do remember. The volume simply wasn't there. Look at the volume and look at the price. It's still being downtrending. Look at this and this. So if the volume kicks back in, perhaps a good coin. If it doesn't, I won't even look at this coin. Already at 30K and volume is downtrending. So for the time being, it's not an ape. But if volume kicks in, we can re-examine the coin always. Blue elephant. If it's in PUMP.FUN, we will take a look. Nice. We can see the coin. $35K in market cap. Had its second wave. As you can see, first wave, then it goes down. Classic pattern, really common pattern. The volume dies down, the chart dies down, and this is accumulation phase for the coin. There is pretty much no volume, and here you are looking whether the developer is still holding, whether the community stays strong and loyal, and whether volume kicks back in. And if it does, which it did a little bit, this can go for a second wave, which it did, and second waves are higher than the first waves. So I'm going to remove the drawings, but I can tell you right now that it's too high of a market cap to buy in, and it was at 40 plus K dollars in market cap as well, about 45K, certainly too much, too late to enter, I mean, and the volume is not sufficient to enter. Really, you can see it's really lacking. Even if the website is phenomenal, even if this is nice, even if it's prepaid DEX screener, as simple as that, if there is no volume coming in, the coin is not going anywhere, especially if it's at 35 kilos in market cap. So if you're in a position, if you made some money, that is always nice, but it's not just a coin to buy into right now. Not saying it's bad, we don't know about the project, but looking at the volume, it's not showing a great sign to me. Let's look at some other coins from you guys. Show me in the chat. Hey Nick, hey Gods of Crypto, welcome back. I've seen you in every live stream, so really appreciate you coming in. What do you think about deload in DEX? We can take a look at DEX screener coin for now, yeah. Let's take a look at it. Dark load, I would expect it to be the name. Deload. Yeah, Dork Lord. I've seen it before, 15 days old. Thank you for advice, you're welcome, Tom. You're very welcome. Welcome everyone to this live stream. $10K in market cap. Volume kind of shallow right now, and Dark Lord is like misspelling. That is always a trend, but it is the Star Wars meme, and Star Wars, will it be trending forever? It was trending on 4th of May. It was created before it, sure. And by the way, had a surge on 4th May. That is true as well. But is Star Wars going to be trending long term? Good question, and it's unlikely, I think. If you want to look where it's at right now, it's just trading a bit below its average price. So anything above 10 million right here, you are paying a premium price for this coin if you bought in right here. I mean, tops are for selling. Now, if you want to buy in, you should do so at those dip levels, which are 7.7 million. As you can see, it actually touched the dip level and it did bounce back to 10 million, 30% bounce. Pretty nice, but a better dip would be 4.3 million. So if it comes down back to this level, and if volume kicks back in, it could do such a move. But if volume doesn't kick back in, the coin will just die. Even though it's big, you need volume, and right now there isn't much. Can we refresh? Yeah, 5-minute volume, there is nothing. So it needs consistent interest over time. Like that's 100%. Show me some coins, guys, in the live chat. Teddy on Solana, Dex Screener or PUMP.FUN? Which one is it? Dex Screener. Okay. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Share it, like it, and turn on your notifications for the next live stream. Teddy, a pretty new coin. Volume looking nice right now. If you're in this coin, congratulations. That's really great. Let's now take a look where you should buy this coin if you want an entry. Trying to be really precise here with this. Now the all-time high, 3.3 million, and it's trading currently above the equilibrium, above the average price. So the average price would be 1.7, as you can see right here. This is a premium price it's trading at right now. If you want to buy the dip, 1.3 million and 734k. Those are the two dip levels. And if you're bullish on this coin, you can buy here. If you think it's gonna come back down, you can buy here. This is a better dip level, deeper one. And if volume keeps being that high, that is amazing. I would expect it to bounce back nicely. And you can make a nice profit, but it usually won't be more than 2x, maybe 3x, because the coin is kind of big and short term it wouldn't bring much profits if you want to trade this coin. Whether it's gonna keep going up, we can see volume kind of decreasing a little bit. So I would call this the peak for now. None of this is financial advice, just educational purposes. Let's keep looking for coins. I see no new shows in the chat, so I'm going to pick coins from PUMP.FUN. We have been streaming for 1 hour already, so welcome everyone. Join the Telegram calls channel. I'm dropping my calls that I find on PUMP.FUN to my Telegram calls channel so that you can win as well. You can join that and you're very, very welcome there. Unicornonion. Interesting. A unique name, at least. A unique meme is the only meme coin guaranteed to make you cry tears of joy. Interesting. Is it AI made or custom made? I don't know. I can't really tell. Volume indicator coming in clutch for us, like always. A bit weird looking chart. What I can see is very inconsistent volume candles, which is concerning because first it's sketchy and second it's risky. And the chart, as you can see, looks a bit weird. So let's look for other signs. The conversation is happening there for sure. There is some kind of a community formed at only $10K. That is a nice sign. Community formed pretty early, but there is no volume, as you can see from here as well. It's just a community bumping a few bucks worth to attract some people. So there is no real interest. The real trades were 3-5 hours ago, and just a few of them. So it has no interest at the moment. We're closing this coin. Which trading bot do you use, Nick? Trojan bot and Photon, those two. Pumpil bot I no longer use. I think Trojan has way better functions. And by the way, I posted a video, a full tutorial, 10 minutes, exploring the limit orders, DCA orders today on my channel. So you can check it out after this live stream. And I think it will be helpful for you. Trojan is nice. Also nice referral system, by the way. Pays pretty good, so you can use it for your friends, guys. PUMP.FUN, not really loading at the moment. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Sometimes PUMP.FUN gets overloaded, as we can see. I don't think it's an internet issue because my internet is really, really fast. What is this? Some kind of a screenshot? Is it Dex Screener? Yeah, it's an interesting one. Like, what is happening here? Dex Screener prepaid. He just posted this screenshot. What is this mean? What is this supposed to mean? TTRFG. Market cap 4 million for 4K. So it's already dead. But an interesting try, I would say. Or is this fake? I don't know. A weird meme. Could have been great, maybe. At least it attracted my attention, you know. So you want to click on unique things, on shocking things, you know. So many cats and dogs, you know. I wish we saw something more unique. This perhaps, something with AI. Envisions a world where AI development is within everyone's reach, breaking free from centralized limitations. Our mission harnesses global GPU. Interesting. They claim to have a unique use case, which always is an interesting thing to check out. Website, we can already tell, looks great. Unlock collective AI through decentralization. Same description. You can buy here. And they have stock. Is this legit? Marketplace. So it does have a use case. Can we click on this? You can complete your order. Telegram tag, email address, transaction ID, payment method Solana, and Nexo. We can actually pay in coins as well. So this certainly is a nice website. Charting the future, phase 1, Q1, Q2. This just looks great aesthetically in terms of the interface. Look at here behind. The background is nice. The colors are greatly matching. Really nice effort here. 2025 and beyond, so a long-term vision here, which means nothing, but they're somewhat taking this project seriously and not just quickly making this stuff up, you know? Very curious to join the Telegram. Let's do this for sure. This is a curious coin, interesting coin. And joins the group. No voice chat, that is a bit bad. Some conversation happening, but nothing too much. Just the same people, I think. Site is amazing and working very good, yeah. Posted this on my story and Telegram, should be some nice media for it. So community is cooking something up. They're trying to do something. That is nice. I want to help push. Nice. So the community clearly is bullish. I would like the developer to be talking a bit more though, and to have some sort of real name instead of this Nexo AI, but it will do. It will do. Nice coin we stumbled upon. Still can rock. We should look at distribution, which we haven't done yet. Looks good. 4.7 for the developer based. Community is bullish. Classic scam. Not working website. It is working actually. Rock justified, I think. Maybe a rock. We never know. Rock website says nothing about crypto. Not sure what he means. Website was working and nice. We can keep this open for sure. Looks like a utility project, which is a reason to buy, but we need to screen the volume really closely as well, which is sufficient. What about here? The transactions are a bit small, so they are like pretty insignificant, which is an issue. We want to see more big transactions, but this coin I'm going to keep open for sure. For sure. What about those plays? Dumping down. What about the volume on this coin? Welcome everyone to this live stream. Hope you're enjoying the live. Hope you're enjoying the live. Volume. We need to get the volume back. Yeah, just downtrending volume. We can just close this coin. No longer an ape. Never really was an ape. You know, the first wave, sure, but yeah, here too, there most likely isn't anything happening and won't be for hours or days. So I'm going to close this elephant coin. Just look for something new. But this was a great find. We can keep this one open. This one from before, we spotted it at $15K in market cap, and I said it's pretty good. So it did go to 20 and above. We still got to look at the volume. How is the volume looking now? Is it still up? Is it going down? And it is going down, which is a bit bad. It's obviously a bearish sign. So the price chart, price action, most likely will follow, but we'll see what happens. We'll keep track of all of those coins that we find interesting. Now this coin, Elsa, a girl, live streaming most likely. Interesting, $32K in market cap. People saying rock already. Volume. Yeah, it's a rock, guys. It's a rock. You can take a look at the holder distribution, 32%, and someone bought, not someone, the developer bought 51 Solana. What will happen is, yeah, King of the Hill, once it goes to King of the Hill, it will just dump eventually. So we'll keep this coin open for now just to see it dump, because it's 100% a rug pull. 100%. 100% rug pull. Let's keep it open. That's gonna be curious for you guys to learn from. Stars the volume. Let's see. Let's see. Volume star. Good advice. Yeah, good advice. I can just speed it from here now. Thank you. We're gonna see this rock. Do you sometimes make trades yourself on stream? I actually do want to, but it's really hard on stream and in videos. I actually have one video coming out, which I've actually filmed on 10th of April, which was like almost a month ago, and I still haven't posted it. So I'm going to launch it like tomorrow or after tomorrow on the channel, like my first video about live trading. But we are going to do some live trades on this stream for sure. like in the next already, I think. Perhaps this week already, I think. Yeah. But the main issue is finding those right coins. That is the issue. We're looking for coins right now, but I literally see nothing interesting for now. Like we found some decent ones, which are nice projects, but they're not confident entries. That is the issue. This one also was alright, but there is nothing standing out. Like there is nothing to even ape into. That is the issue. That is the issue. What is Fibonacci settings? I will later show it when I'm back on the screen now. So shortly I will show it to you guys. So we can see coins being repetitive. By the way, Real Madrid, there was FC Barcelona, so now there is Madrid. You can see Barcelona coin dumped down, like it was at 15k. I told you it's unoriginal. They didn't even bother to change this logo for like a meme replacement, and the website too was just a picture of the stadium. Really unoriginal, hence it's dumping. Like no wonder why, you know? Cat coin, just one big candle. Cat coins, really tired of them guys, but they do keep popping up, and they do go still to 15k, 20k dollars in market caps. They do go to those market caps, but they aren't long term. Sometimes they do go to millions, but there are so many cat coins that it's just a few of those cat coins actually performing well because of the competition, and 10% holding, that is awful, and 8%, that is not too great. But the volume clearly is there. We can keep this open. Has this rugged yet? It has. It has rugged. As you can see guys, very clear. It's developed a bot for 51 SOL, and he or she, from here it's a she, but you never really know, sold for 51.38. So just profiting 50 bucks or something, really not worth it, and scammed absolutely everyone. Not worth it. Welcome everyone to this live stream. Welcome everyone. What is everyone buying? That's also my same question. Like I can't find any good coins at the moment. I've been looking for like an hour, and so far I can see nothing interesting. Perhaps it's too late because for me it's 1 a.m. right now, and usually when I look at those coins earlier in the day, like during the daytime, from like 10 a.m. to all the way up to 8 p.m., I can see nice coins always, and that's also when I'm trading. But right now, no coins really, which is not too good. So no entries right now. Again, look at this holder distribution. Pre-filling decks once we hit 15k, so far at 10k, but this is not a good coin. There is bad holder distribution. Here as well, I think I told you guys, someone was holding 10 and 8%. Where is the developer now? Has he sold? You can see someone sold for 15 Solana. We're witnessing yet another rug pull, I think. You can take a look at this dump from 30k dollars in market cap to now back to 15, and the developer clearly sold. And look at this selling pressure. Everyone then is fearing and panicking, as they should, because if the developer is out, it's a game over. Actually, he might still be holding, I don't know. But someone sold 15 Solana, which is crazy. $10k only now. Yeah, now I also can't see any good coins. Yeah, I'm saying it's something weird. This, by the way, is rug pull most likely. 30k dollars King of the Hill, one reply. Most likely a rug. Let's check. One big candle or two. 57k dollars in market cap. What about holder distribution? 10%, 8%, 7%? A bit sketchy. Great website, huge potential, and his name is Honest Guy. That is funny. Nice volume, and it looks real, so it's too early to say that it's rug pull. I'm not so sure in that. It might be legit. Develop a bot, only 0.65 Solana. Interesting. They said it's a great website. So maybe that's the reason why it went up. Find out where in the world an image was taken without metadata, free and easy to use. Try it out. We will try it out. We can. Actually, it might be sketchy on Telegram getting some bot. I don't know. We can try it, but we can also see it from here. So let's just look at it. Find the image location. Drop photo. Send. Now it is analyzing the photo. Location, Paris, France, details, links, GeoVision AI. Alright, this is a nice tool. Seems legit, hence it's pumping. The website looks great. Telegram utility bot, yes, for sure. Definitely agreed. Image recognition, yes. But none of this still means that the coin is rock proof. The developer can still cheat anytime. But this shows bullish signs. It's utility project, at least. Roadmap, that's nice. GeoVision is now public. Interesting. We got to join the Telegram. Yeah, I'm from Estonia, guys. Join the channel. "30 members only. Too early for the community to be formed yet. But you can see people using this bot. Like an image we can see from here. Coordinates. Alright, that's interesting. By the way, nice city. Very, very nice. So is it China? It's China, that's nice. So bot is working. People are trying this bot. Bot works in DMs for sure. Location Mexico, and it's actually very precise with coordinates and details. And that is very nice. Nice website, great project. Agreed. And people are pumped, they're hyped. They found a great project and they want to pump it. That's good. We want more people to join here so that the community is bigger, you know? Let's see what is the price action at the moment. $42K. We can take out the volume indicator. Nice. Looks very strong. Volume still very nice. This is an issue, someone holding 10 and 8%. But other than that, it makes sense why it's pumping. Now entering it here, too late, 45K, but could have been a great ape if you spotted this project earlier. But we'll keep this open. And by the way, this I told you guys that this will work. We saw holder distribution being really sketchy, and it did indeed rock. Their first was a 15 Solana sell, and now everyone sold and is back quite literally to base market cap, which is 5K. A rug pull. A rug pull. This is dumping right now. Probably volume going down as well. Like if you refresh this, you're gonna see that the volume has decreased. I'm pretty sure. And it's kind of true. So it is on a decrease, as you can see, but it's still great in terms of volume. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen here. The volume is there, but it's the selling pressure. This coin consolidating, this doing nothing. I'm gonna close this actually. This also, it's doing nothing for now. It's like a slow Muna, which is an issue. Live is Zoe, girls on camera trending stuff, but it has dumped to 10K, which means it's really dead. No point to look at it anymore. Hard to find great coins at the moment. Why is Yoda? Maybe this one is a great one. We have looked at it before, but volume looks more or less consistent over time. That's what you like to see. I think that this volume really is healthy because it's more or less always remaining a bit stable. So yes, it's up, a bit down, a bit up, a bit down, but the volume always is there over a time period, always and consistently. So that is great because coins sometimes have those bold spots where there is no hair, there is no volume, and then it kicks in, which is nice, but here, this is a great representation of a great volume price action, great volume action, I mean. I don't think we have checked out the website. Yeah, let's keep an eye on this token. It looks very, very promising, I have to say. I think this one is promising. This one is at Tradium. The utility bot token is at Tradium now, $63k. It should be at Tradium anytime. And this is going to be interesting to check out. Really interesting because that lots of volume. Someone bought 10 Solana just before Radium. So this guy knew it's going to Radium, he's going to pump it to Radium, and he believes that it's gonna perform on Radium. So that's interesting for sure. You can see everyone before Radium is buying, even though usually at this point there is a consolidation because people know those coins dump on Radium, so they sell before Radium. But here, people were buying to hold this coin before it goes to Radium. A very nice sign, in my opinion. So, very curious for this coin. Some people still were selling, but just a few ones, and obviously the buying pressure was outweighing the sales. Very nice. Really excited for this coin. We found something great, but we found it a bit too late. We found it at like 35, $40 in market cap only. I mean, not only, but already. Welcome to this live stream, everyone. Subscribe with notifications and like this live stream. This coin first wave already died, just died in front of our eyes, back to $5k. Someone said, scam, rock allure. Might be a great idea to follow this kind of guy. He has followers, by the way, rock allure. Might be a good idea to follow him, guys, actually. Now, trades, someone sold. And that's why you always got to look at the threats. People like him calling out this is a scam, and it very much was. This rocked in front of our eyes. Obama Cat. We have checked Bowden Cat before, so now there is Obama Cat. So we can kind of see a trend forming, but there is no socials, which is pretty bad. Take out the volume, look at the volume from here. Nice volume, it's there, certainly there. What is this, guys, though? 20% developer holding, someone 16% and then 7%. Guys, this is too much. We don't even have to look at this token, it's simply way too much. Look, he's making fun of it as well. It's literally funny, developer got 25%. Like, wait for this scam, wait for this scam. It's going to rock, so we're gonna keep this open just to show you guys. Is this on Radium yet, maybe? So it's soon about to be. Welcome to this live stream, newcomers. We have new girl live. We certainly can't open her live though, because look at the name. But it can be interesting. One candle, $31k. A scam. Developer holding 67%. People calling out that it's a scam. And he bought, or she, but most likely he, I'm telling you guys, it's not really a woman even, 51 Solana worth. And someone fell for this scam. This developer just will sell. Another one fell into this scam, but he just bought a few dollars worth. So the key play here is to get this coin to King of the Hill, and then they'll dump this coin because it will get spotlight, the free promotion on King of the Hill, and the developer will make some profits. We can keep this open, but it's a rug pull. This already is rug pulling, I think, in front of our eyes. Pretty sure. Someone sold for 12 Solana. Just wait for those guys to sell right here. Just wait for that dump. Gonna be crazy. Gonna be real crazy. Waiting for Radium still. This is about to dump too. Interesting things. Mogwarts Academy. I like the name Mog, the looks maxing type of trend. This one. Nice cheekbones, nice faces. Obviously AI made though. It's not much effort put into it. Nice website. Let's take a look. Perhaps it's true, perhaps not. Mogwarts.net. They have a domain, at least. So why is it not loading? And when the website isn't loading, it usually means there is no website. Alright, there is. Claim the 7-day quest for free. Email includes Mogwarts Discord invite. I will not be doing this. Exclusive community, join a thriving community. Enroll now. Yeah, I know this is a TikToker called k.shamey who has this Mogwarts Academy. So those guys are just stealing this project. This is 100% a scam. This, as you can see, guys, is not legit. It's another guy's subscription. I'm pretty sure. It's not their own Discord because I'm familiar with that Discord community and that influencer, K Shamey on TikTok, and this coin most likely is a rug. And it doesn't even have any volume either, so be careful, it's most likely a rug. And there is no volume, so I'm certainly not looking at this coin. Certainly not. Honest opinions always. Honest analysis, honest opinions. I'm not going to rub this coin to you guys if it's not good, you know. We're only looking at good entries, good coins. Penta, $20 in market cap. What is this about? Let's see. Very nice volume, literally every single second. We love to see that always. That is very nice. Website. Geo AI is out on DEX. We'll take a look at it in a minute. Now, Penta, pretty simple website as we can see, but we do want to go to Geo AI ASAP. Market cap dumping. This coin is a rug. Look at everyone selling in front of our eyes. The developer just disappeared. He just sold out of his position. Probably one of the first people to sell, and then everyone sells, and this is going to zero. Already is back to zero. Now, Geo AI is interesting. I really want to look at it on Radium. Already dumped on Radium to 16, 17k. That's a shame, but let's take a look. It did wake up. We can open it on Radium as well. I mean on Dex Screener, so it's more convenient. 52k, what is showing here to us. 1 second chart always. Pump.FUN is wrong. It gave us the wrong market cap. Volume 5 minutes, 120k. That is interesting. $40k market cap, 100 holders. Still 10% holding and 8 and 6. But they are not selling. That is nice. Back to 28k only. A really crucial point. Is the volume gonna continue? Is the volume going to kick in? Because if it won't, it will just die. So the strategy right now is just to wait. That is the Radium strategy. Radium strategy, coins migrating from Pump.FUN to Radium, strategy really just is to wait. You waited out the first dips and to look for the price action. Is the volume going up? And if it is, great. If it isn't, 95% of those coins will die here on Radium. Welcome everyone. Share this live stream, subscribe with notifications, and all of that kind of stuff. Like the video as well. How about Asian Cat? Where is the Asian Cat? Is it on Dex Screener or is it on Pump.FUN? This one is a rug, but we gotta wait for it to rug. I think it was rug. This one was for sure, and it did rug. Back to $40 in market cap. As you can see, it went to 30k and more. Crazy. She bought for 51 SOL and she sold as well. This one I told you is a rug as well. Just before we opened that Geo AI coin, we were looking at Penta. Now it has rugged. Already was dying when I looked at it. So now it's completely dead. Completely rugged. So many rugs, like 3 coins back to back. This is, I think, yet to rug. Developer was holding 20%. He's holding only 8 now. Still a bit too much. He sold some of his supply. Like, what is that? What is that move? Help Nami. Dex screener, or where is that coin? So I was shoot Asian cat. Is it on PUMP.FUN? Let's take a look. This one. We always get the volume out first. The volume, what I like about this coin right away, the volume remained steady. It didn't really dump, because usually volume does a move like this. You know? Holder distribution looks great. The community, develop a chat, not rock, send it. Developer prepaying Dex screen send. Developers prepaying Dex voice chat bullish. Dex prepaid. That's good news. Community is bullying, bullish, not bullying. And we got to take a look at Telegram. But before, website. This is also important. Asian cat, let's moon. Nothing special. Really, really simple. Telegram. Also, I saw community buying up the dip, which is a nice sign. But we'll come back to the chart in a bit. Start, verify. Help Nami's index screener. Sure, I will check it out after this coin. 76 members. They're hyping up the developer because he is a chat, apparently. 31 people in the voice chat, 77 in the group. Some nice numbers, very nice numbers. You always want to check whether the community is saying something. I can't see much messages. What about the pinned messages? Dex has been prepaid. Tvira. Alright, that is nice. We go back to Telegram to check some more of pinned messages. Just the same thing. Let's go back to Safari, to the coins chart, and you want to look. If the community is buying up the dip, if it's bouncing up, this is always a great sign. So a bounce always is a great sign. So we're seeing something nice here. I mean, if you want to buy it here, $30k in market cap, if it goes to Radium, it's only 2x. That is the issue. But other than that, if you saw this at 15k, could have been a great entry. Geo AI, you can see Radium coins going to Radium and heavily struggling a lot, and really classic, obviously. Is it gonna perform something? Probably not, because the volume is so shallow now compared to before. We can take out bigger volume candles and see the exact same thing. Volume just decreasing. It's really the classic pattern, just like this. We're not expecting anything from this coin no more. We can keep it open, but it's a dead coin, I think. This is pumping right now from 25k to 40k, which I thought might be a rug because of developer was holding 25 and 20% at some point. So why is it pumping if there is such a big red flag is the question. Why is it pumping? Because it clearly was a red flag. Two people sold 5 SOL. Volume um, is there, coming back in. We can take out the volume indicator. That's helpful. The volume is decreasing here. Let's refresh. Sometimes you need to refresh. It's still surging up, and volume is kicking in like a badass guy here. Very interesting. Let's see what happens to this coin. I thought it's a rock, still might be. So let's take a look. This coin is now dipping, but it does have the support level at this level. So this is very clear here. It can come back here, sort of a double bottom. Maybe if volume kicks in, it can go back. So let's see. But if you were to buy it, you can buy at this level. It's going to if it drops more, 40% more, this could be the level to buy in. So buy the dips. This dipped before. It will dip again, that's for sure. So don't buy the tops. So certainly do not buy anywhere here. Like you would be a crazy guy to buy here. This is too crazy. And Geo AI still trying to make some sort of a move, but essentially a dead coin. Close it on here. Previous coins, we're also looking at this one with a nice Telegram bot. This was a nice project. I really liked the utility, the Telegram bot, and it was actually useful, up and working. This one I liked because of the volume being more or less stable and consistent, which is an amazing sign. Welcome everyone to this live stream. If you are new, let's look at Help Nami on Dex Screener, which was a request from the live chat. An interesting name, like sounds weird in my opinion. Help Nami. Two-weeks old, and it can't really even go up. It was stable, doing nothing for literally 2 weeks, and now it's going up. So I'm not even going to look at this coin because in 2 weeks it really did nothing here. So for me personally, I wouldn't jump into this coin. Volume really shallow as well. It's up, sure, the coin is up, but the volume and the chart, the fact that it has been 2 weeks old is not good in my opinion. This one King of the Hill, it rocked? It did, of course. So many rocks we're seeing right now. People can't even see that it's rock too. They're being bullish in the thread section, completely oblivious to what's happening, and then everyone is selling and you're losing your money. Someone sold 18 SOL, 10 SOL, 15 SOL. Clearly big top holders, and they just sold. Probably a developer holding from different wallets. That would be my guess. This coin currently dipped and consolidating at this level. Volume is going down. It was going down here, came back, then it's going down now again. Not too good, but a nice market cap level to enter if the bullish signs are there. Developer is live paying for DEX, making the banner and sharing his screen. Nice, that is amazing. Join the voice chat. Voice chat is always nice. Let's take a look. This is gonna be huge. Community is clearly bullish. DEX prepaid NFT collection. That might be a promising coin, even though the volume is kind of shallowing out, or is shallow at the moment. We can see some transactions still. Distribution more or less fine. Welcome everyone to this live stream. 35 people. Subscribe, like, notifications, and share this live stream. Nothing special, completely classic website, but I'm curious to join the Telegram. There was promised to be a nice voice chat. "100 members. That's nice. 26 participants. As long as the developer doesn't cheat, they all eventually go to Radium. Yeah, that's the issue. The issue even isn't the fact that those coins die, but they usually die just because of the developers who are not trusted and who sell. That is the biggest issue here. So if everyone held from the developers, coins would go up, more coins would go up. As simple as that, guys. Did 20 microtransactions. They're trying to work as a community to pump this coin and get some attention. Dex prepaid. Look at pinned messages. King of the Hill. King of the Hill. Developer requested for Dex screener. Nice. Community is working here. Voice chat. Let's take a look. Access, sure. Yeah, they're all silent here, but this is a promising coin, I think, and it's currently dipped down, so definitely an interesting find. Like, I personally like this coin, so if the developer holds, if he doesn't sell, this is pretty promising. But it's consolidating, and consolidation means a downtrend unless volume kicks in. So we still got to wait for the volume candles to kick in like we saw here. But this was the setting pressure. So if you can see some nice green candles, that is going to be nice. But currently volume is downtrending, which is not that great. And this is at support level, which I drew for you right here. This is gonna be curious because if it goes down below it, I think it's over for the coin. It's gonna go down too low and no one is buying the dip if it's going to go down more. 32 people watching, thank you everyone. GeoVision at 66k, so it's pulling a reversal. We slept on it and that is why you got to look for the dips. It dipped down at twice here to 15 at 20k. Now it's reversing, which is nice to see. The volume is less than it was before, only 14k, but it's slightly forming this cup, as you can see from the volume. So this is an interesting one still to look at, and certainly not dead yet. It has pretty much resurrected right now, which is a hard move to pull. So if this can move with higher low, higher low, higher low pattern, this would be a promising coin. So let's see if that is happening right now. You can see it's dipping slightly. So if it's gonna form higher lows, this can be promising. This coin is going to Radium, isn't it? With weed holder distribution, it's already on Radium. So let's open that coin. We close that one tab. Market cap, 1 minute, 1 second chart. A bit of a neck crack, and we're good to go. $54 in market cap, 24k volume. Volume looks sweet from here. 85 holders. This had high holders for some reason, and it was a sketchy coin. No expectations though, because the meme, I don't know if it's good enough. Obama cat, nice combination. President is trending, or old presidents as well, doesn't matter. US presidents are trending, and cats are always long-term trending. So in that sense, it's a good combination, but is it enough? We're gonna see. The volume, kind of surging here, kind of surging. Crucial point whether the volume can go up, and if it can, the price action most likely can as well. And if this is forming higher lows, it could be really interesting for us. This is still at the support level, as you can see from here. No one is buying the dip though, which is the issue. I will refresh right now so you can see the volume candles currently as well. We do need to draw our support level again and get the volume again, but that's fine. Support level was about this, about right here, and volume still clearly is there. That is what I like about the coin. Volume more or less has been stable and consistent, which is extremely rare. You usually see pumps and dumps on volume chart as well, just as you see pumps and dumps on the coin's price action. So this is nice. You can see green candle. So let's see if it reverses, bounces back up. It's also important to see, to look how quickly is the volume, no, how quickly is the coin bouncing back up, because the quicker it bounces, the more bullish it is. But if no one is buying the dip, it's a bearish sign. Consolidation, and this is moving in a nice higher low pattern, a higher low and 80k already, and this was a legit utility project which we were really bullish about on Pump.FUN. Really interesting. Volume is kicking back in. Nice. Let's refresh to see the volume again. Really nice. And volume is, it's not surging, but it is going up. Over time, slowly, already at $90k in market cap. Very, very nice. And this coin's chart now looks healthy. If it can move in this higher low pattern, this would be real nice. Real nice. This one still crucial point for that. This is at the support level, also crucial point. So we have some coins opened which are really nice, interesting coins to screen. GeoVision legit. I mean, the utility, the Telegram bot that they have, and the website look really great, and the bot actually works. Asian cat dumping hard. Yeah, we're looking at it right now. Currently at the support level. Let's see if it can pull some sort of a reversal move, as the volume clearly is there. Discord link, currently no Discord, but Telegram calls channel is in the description. So you can join that. That is also a good place. Look at this movement, really nice. I like that movement. And this project was real good, I think. I like the what I saw on Telegram, but as I drew here, if there is no volume, the coin is gonna go down. That is completely foreseen, and unless volume kicks back in, like it did here, it's just gonna keep going down. We'll keep it open though. Let's keep looking. Welcome everyone to this live stream. If you are new, show the live stream. This is doing nothing. Let's look for just a few more coins, just a few more, so we can keep it a bit interesting. King of the Hill, why not? Too late to ape, but might be an interesting thing, trend, we never know. Nice distribution, developer burned with proof, developer just burned. See website, 31 people live, welcome. You can see a video. So it's just some music, it's just like a loop for this video. Nothing that special, pretty average website I would say. Now Telegram channel, we can join it, why not? Each time you should join each and every single one because you want to learn more about the community, you know. Never hurts to be to look at the Telegram. Why can I see nothing here? Not sure, let's try again. Interesting, 21 members only, a bit sketchy, it doesn't even work. I don't know if it doesn't work, why it doesn't work for me. But too late to ape, 42k. This one keeps dipping. This one at the support level, and there is no volume anymore, I think, because it's not really moving. As you can see, there were some transactions, but it's just the fake volume. Community is trying to create some attraction for the coin, but the real transactions are minutes ago. So the volume has faded from this coin. That's what I think. If we're gonna refresh that, we're gonna see really low candle, which we're going to do right now. As you can see, we are seeing low candles being formed. and it's a really clear downtrend from the volume. It's no longer consistent, it's now clearly downtrending. Not good, not good. It's at support level, even a bit below, but it means nothing anymore because there is no volume to bounce even back. This is trying something, but Radium coin migrating from PUMP.FUN, always a hard initial stage. Geo AI, a coin we're looking at, which is moving in higher low pattern. I'm going to delete our drawings so I can make a new one. We're going to refresh it as well. Can we delete this again? Alright, so the volume is back in a bit, but you can see this higher, low, higher. And this is more or less a diagonal pattern, so it's an even more bullish version of those higher lows because it's not dipping much when it's going low, you know? That is magnificent. Volume still going up, 27k. So this coin is a really great find. Real utility, real Telegram bot which is working. This is dumping, I feel like. This as well, really dead. Looks really dead. Which coin? I've already seen this asked before. Like it's not used for the first time even, which is funny. Developer 67%. Obviously rug. Obviously rug. Look at this, 51 soul, and this person wants to go to get King of the Hill, which it did. That's how we found the coin. And then new investors are coming in, and he is going to dump, or she is going to dump 51 soul on the people. This is going down, consolidating, and this is an interesting one. Our best find is this coin, currently as well consolidating. Not much new great coins, guys. Has been really tough. We are streaming for almost 2 hours. We can't even find much great coins. And by the way, I appreciate all the chats. I can see there is Chipego, Connor, Mighty, Anes, iTrade. Welcome everyone. Mir, The Absurd, Hugo. Let me quickly read the chat as well. Discord link. We don't yet have a Discord, but we do have Telegram channel, so you can join that in the description. I'm scalping Hakoro. Nice. Could I send a picture? You can contact me on Discord. I have my friend invite link on my Telegram coast channel. What is your checkpoint for it's not a raw coin? Honda distribution, big sketchy transactions. Like in this coin's case, for example, 51 Sol was bought here, and you always got to look for first transactions because they can tell you whether it's rug or not. And sometimes the developer or a cabal who doesn't even have to create the coin, but they join into a coin, they buy with different wallets, and they dump on you. So you got to always screen the first transactions, because if they want to pull a rug pull on you guys, they have to join into a coin early at 5 or at most $10 in market cap, since otherwise they're not going to make any profits, you know. Any profits today? We actually can't even find any great coins. Like, we couldn't even find any great coins on this stream, unfortunately. Got into Donald Cat 30 minutes after launch. We had it opened. Where is it now though? We were looking at it for sure. My other device just died, so I have to pull out my phone now. But I'm actually going to end this stream very shortly. It's been 2 hours. Do you have a Twitter? I actually don't even use Twitter. I'll have one soon though. Fibonacci settings, let me get you that as well. I promised that before. And I'm not sure how to use this MacBook real well, so I think you'll have to let me know how can I get those settings for you even. Like, I know how to do it on my phone and on my iPad, but let's take a look. I'll just place it anywhere. Settings, anywhere here. Yeah, you can get the settings now. Just pause this video, pause this live stream, or get it after. I'm going to close it now, like in a few seconds, but you can get those settings. You can use this strategy. I haven't really ever explained it much, but it's great. Maybe I'm going to explain it sometime. It's basically for the dip levels and profit taking, so it's not going to tell you that the coin is going up or down. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this live stream, guys. That's it. I read all the chats. We cashed up with literally every coin, did analysis for them. Nice educational stream. Make sure you subscribe and like. Turn on the notifications. Join the Telegram calls channel because I'm going to announce my every single live stream on my Telegram. And stay tuned for more live streams. I'm going to stream literally every single day. So come back for more, guys. And I wish you a magnificent and prosperous day from Nick Memes.